Jamnagar, formerly Navanagar, was a renowned centre for Oriental studies. The royal family supported Ayurveda with notable physicians. Dr. P.M. Mehta, a Western-trained doctor, promoted Ayurveda, convinced Jam Sahib Digvijay Singh Ji to establish an Ayurvedic institution. In 1940, Shri Gulab Kuvarba Ayurvedic Society was founded. The Ayurveda College established on 1st July 1946, with the first principal Vaidya Yadavji Trikmji. In 1952, Central Institute for Research in Indigenous Systems of Medicine founded. In 1956, Centre for PG Studies and Research in Ayurveda started. In 1962, merged as Institute for Ayurvedic Studies and Research. Then, integrated into Gujarat Ayurveda University, became the leading postgraduate Ayurveda research centre in India. In 1967, the Institute of Postgraduate Teaching and Research in Ayurveda was integrated into Gujarat Ayurveda University. Over the years, it has emerged as India's leading centre for postgraduate education and research in Ayurveda. The Yog Nisarg Upchar self-financed activity started as Prakritik Upchar Sansthan Yog Kendra on 5th January 1995, which later converted to Maharshi Patanjali Institute for Yoga Naturopathy Education and Research, dedicated to academics, treatment, research and propagation of Yoga and Nisarg Upchar. In 1999, Institute of Ayurvedic Pharmaceutical Sciences, the first Ayurveda Pharmacy College and International Centre for Ayurveda Studies was established. In 2000, Maharshi Patanjali Institute for Yoga Naturopathy Education and Research was established. Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda was formed by merging premier Ayurveda institutions in Jamnagar, declared an Institute of National Importance (INI) by an Act of Parliament, inaugurated by Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Ji on 13th November 2020. The World Health Organization Global Centre for Traditional Medicine is the first ever global knowledge hub for traditional medicine. Groundbreaking ceremony held in Jamnagar on 19th April 2022, led by Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Ji and World Health Organization Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, strengthening India's leadership in Ayurveda and traditional medicine research. Today, Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda continues as a global hub for Ayurveda academia and research, striving towards holistic health and wellness for betterment of the world.